Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels, mud guards. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.